Hello everyone and welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making stuffed squash, mahshi kusa. To make our mahshi kusa, we want to start off with our rice. Make sure you soak your rice in water for about 20 minutes. Next, you're going to add your ground beef with your rice and mix until incorporated. Okay, now your meat and rice are mixed together. Add your oil and then your spices and mix very well. So in order for us to stuff the squash, we have to hollow out the inside. So using a marrow scooper, carefully hollow out the inside. If you don't have a marrow scooper, you can find it on Amazon or go to your local Arabic store to find one. Okay, now that I've removed the insides of the squash, it's time to stuff it. Only stuff it about halfway through. Don't stuff too much because the rice is going to expand and you want to make sure it cooks all the way. A trick my mom taught me is if you stick your pinky finger into the squash, you want to have at least that much space, the size or at least half the size of your pinky. Now that I've finished stuffing my mahshi, it's time to make the sauce. So with my pot, I'm going to fill it halfway with hot water, add tomato paste, and mix well along with the maggi. Add your stuffed squash to the sauce and turn it on high heat for it to boil. Once it starts to boil, turn it on medium heat and let it cook for an hour. And there you have it, delicious stuffed squash, mahshi kusa. Delicious. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and ring that bell too.